Every fairy tale begins with a dream and ends in glam. But glam always starts with hair.
Girl, you're not going anywhere with that hair. Bye.
I am not going anywhere like this.
What's wrong, child?
Who are you?
I am your fairy glam mother. Don't worry, I know exactly what you need.
A lace wig?
Not just any wig. This is Glamora, better than magic.
Wow, I can't believe this is a wig.
Let the glam begin, darling.
Glamora, the easy glam wig.
Let it go.
No, it's mine.
You
No,
let it go.
you let it